Hello everyone, welcome to the Product Impact channel. So today we'll cover 5 key Scrum ceremonies that everyone should know. So basically, let's start with the basics of Scrum framework. So basically, in a typical software industry, what happens is there are product managers, there are product owners, there are project managers, there are Scrum managers, there are developers, testers, and many other teams are involved. With the first, let's start with product backlog. It's a part of a Scrum ceremony. So basically, product backlog and backlog grooming. So basically, product backlog is a set of any new feature or enhancement or even bug that are there in the platform that needs to be that some development needs to take place in order to fix it, or in order, if it's an enhancement, then to develop something new. So basically, product backlog is managed by a product manager or a product owner. So they basically frame the bugs or requirements in form of tickets. So basically, Jira is one of the widely used project management tool that is used across the industry. So in Jira, so there is basically user stories, epics, and you are there. So basically, the product managers create those user stories in Jira. So then coming to the next, that is the sprint planning. So in the sprint planning, so basically the Scrum managers or the project managers in some organization, the product managers, basically they do the sprint planning. So basically they need to estimate the what development can take place. So what are the different, so basically the in the product backlog, product grooming phase. So the Jira tickets or any project management tool, the tickets are already prepared. So in the sprint planning phase, so basically the total number of Jira tickets that can be completed in a sprint, that is estimated. So basically, so that is yes. Coming to what is sprint. So I have, so sprint basically is typically to some extent it is associated with the development team. So basically, the development team completes tasks in a duration of 7 to 14 days. So that is sprint. Yeah. So in a uh, daily stand up is basically a 10-15 minutes meeting daily that happens with developers, testers, product managers, product owners, and project managers, and scrum managers, and scrum master. So in that daily stand up, uh, the teams discuss on what work was completed on the previous day and what work is planned to be completed on that day, and if any priority changes happens, then also that is adjusted. uh, yes, so that these are the basically the discussion that happen in a daily stand up meeting. Yes. Then coming to sprint review. So once the sprint is completed, then the analysis on what percentage of the work which was planned before the sprint could be completed in the sprint. So taking an example, in a sprint, let's say the it was decided that 100 different works will be completed by the development team during a sprint, but after the sprint gets completed, the analysis was done, and let's assume that 90 tickets or 90 works could be completed. So basically, from that data is basically curated in the sprint review, and after that there is sprint retrospectives also. And during a sprint retrospective, it's is basically a meeting in which it is decided that in which the different teams come together and they discuss on what went well, what did not went well, and what could be the learnings that could be in what could be the learnings that could be implemented in the next sprint. And thank you. Thank you. If you like the video, please hit a like, share if you like, and you may subscribe the channel. Thank you.